This is Media City. Welcome to Top 5 Harvard. Gupteshwara Pandey, Bihar's Director General of Police, who was recently in the spotlight for his proactive role in the investigation of actor Sushant Singh Rajput's death case, has taken voluntary retirement only a few months before he was to superannuate. The 1987 batch IPS officer's application has been accepted by the Nitish Kumar government, which has appointed S.K. Singhal as the DGP in charge in his place. A Home Department notification issued on Tuesday night says that his application seeking voluntary retirement from September 22 has been accepted by relaxing the norm for submission of such application at least 3 months in advance. Pandey's resignation has not surprised many as it follows days of intense speculation in and outside the corridors of power in. President Vladimir Putin of Russia is most likely continuing to approve and direct interference operations aimed at raising President Donald Trump's re-election chances. A recent CIA analysis concluded a signal that intelligence agencies continue to back their assessment of Russian activities despite the president's attacks. The assessment was disseminated in support of sanctions imposed this month on Andrei Derkach, a pro-Russian Ukrainian lawmaker who has spread information critical of former Vice President Joe Biden. It is consistent with intelligence officials warning to lawmakers in January that Russia was interfering on Trump's behalf, a briefing that outraged Republicans and eventually helped oust Joseph Magorin from his post as acting director of national intelligence. The CIA has moderate confidence in its analysis, a lower degree of certainty than its 2016 assessment of Putin's preferences, in part because the intelligence community appears to lack intercepted communication or other direct evidence confirming his direction of direct efforts. Putin, a former intelligence agent, is careful not to use electronic devices. Dia has termed as completely unacceptable reference to Jammu and Kashmir by Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan during his address to the high-level debate at the UN General Assembly, saying Ankara should learn to respect the sovereignty of other nations and reflect on its own policies more deeply. We have seen remarks by President of Turkey on Indian Union territory of Jammu and Kashmir. They constitute gross interference in India's internal affairs and are completely unacceptable. Turkey should learn to respect sovereignty of other nations and reflect on its own policies more deeply. India's permanent representative to the UN ambassador T.S. Tirumurthy said it on tweet on Tuesday. Saudi Arabia will allow pilgrims residing inside the country to undertake the Umrah pilgrimage beginning on October 4 after a 7-month pause due to coronavirus concerns, state news agency SPA reported. Umrah is an Islamic pilgrimage to Mecca and Medina undertaken any time of the year, attracting 19 million people. It's a truism that US President Donald Trump always says the quiet part aloud, leaving his aides shocked and his audience out. On China, Trump's blunt talk is arguable that other world leaders also secretly think but are prone to pushing it into the deepest services of their minds. Let's wind up for the day. This is Media City Top 5 Hours. Thank you and have a nice day.